Dear students, welcome to free ICT tutorials. Today's lesson, grade 10 ICT Unit 1, Information Communication Technology, that's fundamentals of ICT. In this video, we will study what is data, information and process. Their definitions also, and what is the relationship between data and information. Right, let me introduce the terms data, information and process. First, we should understand about these terms. These are related with computer, but in real life also we have to identify these. Look here, what is data? Data are unprocessed, meaningless things. That's raw materials. Data is plural verb. Data may be numbers, letters, images, symbols, audios, videos, etc. Process is middle of data and information. Process includes some actions or tasks. After processing, the data called information. Before process, that called data. Keep watching. I will explain each of these with real life example. If you make a tea, what are the ingredients do you want? Tea powder, hot water, sugar, milk powder. These are inputs. These are raw materials. That's data. After that, do some tasks. Boiling water, filtering, mixing sugar and milk powder. That boiling, filtering, mixing. These are important processes. After the processing, we can get tasty tea. That's output. Output is the information. What is information? Process data that's meaningful. We can use them to make decisions also. Have you understood? Right. Now another example to identify data, information and process. Add two numbers 4 and 6. Look here, 4 and 6. These are inputs. Inputs are data. 4 plus 6, that's processing. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, that's output. That is information. Okay, I hope you all got the knowledge about these terms. This is the relationship between data and information. Here, data always input, information is output, but not always. Sometimes information may be as a data. Right, meet you again. Thanks for watching.